Welcome to KEX, Construction Engineering. Have you been looking for a simple and faster way to build a model kitchen cabinet? This video breaks down every step that you need, from site marking to installation of kitchen sink. So today, we are going to teach you how to build a model kitchen cabinet. Follow this guide to the end and discover faster building tricks. Now, let's move to site marking, and setting out. Starting with the length of our kitchen cabinet. We are going to set out and mark out the full layout on the floor, showing all the dimensions so you can understand the kitchen layout clearly as we proceed. Pay attention to all dimensions and convert them to any standard measurement system of your choice. Note, 1 foot is approximately equal to 305 millimeters. Mark out the length, width, and height of the kitchen cabinet as shown. For high precision, you can also use laser level instrument to achieve this too. Good job! Layout completed. Forming and laying of bricks. Hammer in dowels or chop off this contact part of the existing block wall to ensure proper bonding at the joints. Having formed completely, now, plumb and lay all the brick walls accurately as shown. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Good! Cabinet walls completed. Now, let's take measurement of the brick wall so we can start framing wood to support the kitchen table slab. Framing with 2x2 wood. Use marine board or any good board that's affordable. Here, the thickness of the top slab is 3 inches or 76 millimeters. Before we create an opening for kitchen sink, let's take the actual measurement of the sink model that will be installed to avoid guesswork or inaccuracy. Now, let's take reference and mark out the sink opening. Ensure you do the framing with this exact dimensions. You can add some allowance for easy adjustment and setting. Use nail or wooden stopper to maintain these dimensions during installation. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Now, we have completed framing formwork. Let's start preparing reinforcement for the top slab. Provide at least 20 millimeters concrete cover. Start fixing slab reinforcement, Y10 at 175 millimeters, center-to-center spacing. Important note, do not make this mistake that a lot of people do. Place the shorter bars first because they're the main bars based on the orientation of this slab, and then place the longer bars on top of the shorter bars because they are the distribution bars. It's structurally wrong if you place them otherwise. This is my advice to you as a practicing civil and structural engineer. Thank you, and stay tuned to this channel for more construction videos. Pouring of concrete in progress. You can add waterproofing chemical to protect the rebars and increase durability. Ensure proper concrete dressing and finishing. Pouring of concrete completed. Ensure proper curing. Formwork removal. Good job! We have completed the kitchen cabinet slab. Now, let's get ready to install kitchen sink. Kitchen sink installation process. Take note, do not fix the sink directly to flush on the slab if you want to render the top of the slab with marble, tiles, or whatever. Rather, install it slightly above the top of the slab, such that the gap left is equivalent to the thickness of the final top rendering. Plumb and set it accurately. Good! Having installed the kitchen sink successfully, we will stop at this point so that this video will not be too long. If you want me to do the mechanical connection or plumbing as well as the final rendering, let me know in the comment. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Thanks for watching.